6261 Forsyth Road, 15 acres. It's private, it's close to town. You don't even know it's here. You've never known it's here. It's down a long road and you're at the back of the 15 acres and it's so quiet, it's so peaceful, you don't hear anything. This house is gorgeous. It was architecturally built and it is very well built with a huge copper roof. Great copper roof, it's gorgeous. And everything in the house has been remodeled, it's updated, it's got a huge covered porch, it's out of this world, a 3-car carport, and above the carport, it's got a full guest quarters. So anybody can come stay up there on their own, and you don't have to deal with them. It's got its own burglar alarm, for goodness sakes, its own air conditioner and its own kitchen. And then the barn in the back has been converted into a massive game room, exercise room with a bath, plus a huge wired workshop. There's nothing here that you don't want that you haven't asked me for, and it is priced really, really well. Look at the comps. This house is amazing for the money. You will never be able to build anything like this ever at the price you can buy this property. Call me. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302. I'm telling you, you better hurry. This is what you've been looking for. Give me a call. Thanks.